My name is Robert McKenna. I am the Associate Director of Library Technology at Mercy College. I've worked here starting as a student worker until now for about 19 years. I graduated in 2006 with BS in Computer Information. And then again, I graduated in 2013 with a Master's in Human Resources. So this is the printer we're going to be donating to St. John's Riverside. It's Replicator Plus. It should be able to print these models that are the headgear for the face shields that the emergency responders at the hospitals are using. Dr. Arosa from St. John's reached out with a link to these models and what makers around the world are trying to do for people in the hospital that don't have access to PPE. As they're using them and testing them and people are responding back, they're getting feedback and they're making the 3D model better. So these are emergency circuit ventilator splitters. It's only been thought about in theory in emergency cases. It's supposed to be able to support 2 people with 1 ventilator. It's important that if we can, we should at least try and help.
I really appreciate you guys loaning us the 3D printer. Any little bit helps. I'm Dr. Stephen Arosa. I am affiliated with St. John's Riverside Hospital in Yonkers. I also have some contacts at the hospitals in the city that we're working collaboratively to try to figure out the best way of printing face shields, other types of masks, and other protective equipment. Being able to have access to printers that are not being used around the county, around Westchester County, around the city is very valuable. And hopefully we don't get to the point where we have to start 3D printing all types of stuff for the hospitals, but it's always better to have them than not. And
Absolutely.
thank you.
No, glad to help.